you're posting, you're grinding, you're even going viral, but you're still not making money, something's seriously wrong. And I'm about to break down exactly why your TikTok isn't paying you and how to fix it fast. Let's get into it. But before we do, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Iyaboyawale, and I share millionaire maker tips for ambitious Gen Z on this channel. And so if your goal is to become a Gen Z millionaire, I tell you, you are in good company. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a member of this community, because we are a strong community of people who are seriously trudging towards success, and you will do yourself a favor, big favor, by becoming a member of this community. And so don't just subscribe, remember to turn on notifications so that you will be notified when we've got new videos as well as live streams. By the way, we have a live stream every Sunday by 4 p.m. WAT. And so be sure to join us this coming Sunday, for another live stream where I will talk about how to use ChatGPT to make money. 11 practical businesses you can start in 2025. That's the topic we are discussing this coming Sunday. And so be sure to join us. God bless you as you do that. And so I'm the lead servant in House of Wisdom, a ministry that is dedicated to the Gen Z, and that is why we call ourselves the Gen Z Nation. And you're warmly welcome if you're also a Gen Z. So let's get right into the video of the day. So why are you not making money on TikTok, and how do you fix it? Why are you not making money on TikTok, and how do you fix it? TikTok is a powerhouse for content creators, influencers, and business owners looking to monetize their presence. However, many struggle to turn their views into income. If you're not making money on TikTok, here's why and how to fix it. The first reason is that you're not leveraging multiple monetization methods, and TikTok has several ways to earn, including the creator fund, including brand deals, including affiliate marketing, including selling products, and including live gifts. Relying on just one stream can limit your income potential. And so diversify your monetization strategy. Combine brand deals with affiliate links and selling your own products and services. Second reason why you're not making money on TikTok is because you are not in the right niche. And so not all niches are equally profitable. Some niches attract high-paying brands and engaged audiences, while others struggle with monetization. And so focus on niches like finance, beauty, fitness, tech, and business, which attract higher CPMs and brand partnerships. The third reason why you're not making money with TikTok, despite the efforts you're putting in, is your engagement rate is low. Now, brands and TikTok's algorithm prioritize engagement, and we are talking about likes, we are talking about comments, we are talking about shares, and we are talking about watch time over just views. You know, they don't really consider the views. They consider more of your likes, more of your shares, more of the comments, more of the watch time you have. And so low engagement signals low influence, which hurts your monetization opportunities. And so encourage interaction by asking questions, responding to comments, and using trending sounds or challenges to boost engagement. Just find a wise and smart way to boost your engagement. And also, the fourth reason you're not making money on TikTok is because you're not posting consistently. And irregular posting leads to inconsistent audience growth and weak monetization potential. And so develop a content schedule. Post at least 3 to 5 times per week to stay relevant and improve your visibility. And so it's important for you to post regularly. You don't just come once and go. Be there, because your audience is waiting for you. And so you got to engage them regularly with fresh content, fresh challenges, and then post valuable content, whether it is in the entertainment, whether it's in education, whatever it is. Post content that helps them to do something valuable with their lives. And the next reason why you're not making money on TikTok is because your content lacks a hook and value. I just mentioned valuable content, and we are talking about that in the next tip. And so if your videos don't capture attention within the first 3 seconds, I talk about the first 3 seconds, or provide real value, people won't stay, people won't engage, people won't convert. And so start your videos with a strong hook. A strong hook can be starting your videos with a question, starting your videos with a bold statement, or starting your video with a curiosity gap, something that makes people want to know more, something that makes people want to watch more of your videos. And so provide entertainment, provide education or inspiration in every video. It depends on the kind of video you are sharing. Some videos may provide strictly entertainment, some may provide strictly education, and some may provide strictly inspiration. Yet another reason why you are not making money on TikTok is you're not using TikTok's features fully. And so ignoring features like TikTok Shop, Live, or trending hashtags can hinder your growth and revenue potential. And so use TikTok Shop to sell products, and then go live to receive gifts, and then follow trends to increase your visibility. And so these are all things that you can use. Don't limit yourself. There are no limitations. Like I always say, the limitations only exist in our minds. We have a free reign, we have a free hand to make money. And so let's utilize all the features on TikTok fully. Instead of utilizing just one of them, utilize all of them. The seventh reason why you're not making money on TikTok is because you haven't built a community. A loyal audience converts better than a large but disengaged following. And without a community, excuse me, monetization becomes difficult. Without a community, I repeat, without a community, monetization becomes difficult. And so show up authentically, interact with your followers, and create content that fosters connection and loyalty. Try to find a way to build a loyal and engaged audience. It's something you can do. It's within your power to do. And so every day show up authentically. Let people know you for who you are, because you are the niche. You are the niche. You are the niche. They are coming because of you. And so you got to engage with them. You got to show up authentically. Don't show up in a fake manner. Be authentic. Be real. And the eighth reason why you're not making money on TikTok is because you haven't optimized your bio for monetization. You need to optimize your bio for monetization. Your TikTok bio is prime real estate for conversions. And if it lacks a clear CTA, call to action, you are leaving money on the table. And so add a compelling bio with a link to your website, store, or affiliate offers, and then use Linktree or beacons for multiple links. If you've got multiple links, you can use Linktree or beacons, and make sure that your bio is a compelling one, and it links to your website, it links to your store, and as well as your affiliate offers. Just look for a smart way to link to all the things that you do, and have a clear CTA, a strong CTA. Now, the ninth reason why you're not making money on TikTok is because you're not doing brand outreach. Waiting for brands to find you is a slow road to monetization. Many TikTokers miss out on money by not pitching themselves. Learn how to pitch yourself. Learn how to put yourself forward. Learn how to market yourself. Now, actively reach out to brands in your niche with a professional page, highlighting your audience engagement and value. Tell them what they stand to benefit by using your brand to promote their services or products. And the 10th reason why you're not making money from TikTok is because you are not repurposing your content for more exposure. Your content doesn't have to stay on TikTok alone. You got to be able to put it on other platforms for increased visibility. And so if your content lives only on TikTok, you're missing out on additional revenue streams from other platforms. And so repurpose TikTok videos for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest to expand your reach and revenue opportunities. Now, making money on TikTok requires more than just posting videos. It's more than that. There is a strategy to it. And by optimizing your strategy, engaging your audience, and using multiple monetization methods, you can turn your TikTok presence into a profitable business. Start implementing these changes today and watch your earnings grow. So what tip or ideas struck you the most in this video? Do let me know in the comments, and also share this video with a friend. Be the reason why a friend becomes a Gen Z billionaire this year. Tag your fellow Gen Zs to our videos and content, and also like this video, because when you do, you are telling YouTube the kind of content to serve you, the kind of content to suggest to you. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because our goal this year is to raise 100 Gen Z millionaires. And I know you watching me, yes, you watching me, you are going to be one of them. But you've got to not just watch these videos, but implement. We are action takers in House of Wisdom. The Gen Zs in House of Wisdom are action takers, and you are one of them. And so go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a member of this community, and also turn on notifications so that you will be notified when we got new lives as well as new videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the time you spent watching this video. It means a lot to us. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. I love you. Mwah.